From a quantum mechanical perspective, can information travel faster than light? In quantum mechanics, information is represented as changes in quantum states. Quantum states exist probabilistically until they are measured. Therefore, before measuring a quantum state, it is impossible to know what the state is. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two quantum particles are correlated with each other. When one particle is measured, the state of the other particle is simultaneously determined. This might give the appearance that one particle knows the state of the other faster than light, but quantum entanglement cannot be used as a means to transmit information. Even if you learn the state of one particle through entanglement, that information is not directly transmitted to the other particle. To know the state of the other particle, you must first measure it, but when you measure one particle, the entanglement is broken, and you cannot re-measure the other particle. So, from a quantum mechanical standpoint, information cannot be transmitted faster than the speed of light. Here are a few examples that demonstrate this. Schrödinger's cat experiment. Using quantum entanglement, it's possible to create a state where you cannot know whether a cat is alive or dead until you measure it. However, to determine the cat's state, you must make a measurement, and the cat's state will probabilistically become alive or dead. So, to know the cat's state, you need to perform a measurement, and the entanglement is disrupted, making it impossible to re-measure the cat's state. Quantum key distribution. This technology uses quantum entanglement to securely transmit a key between two locations. However, the key is represented by changes in quantum states. To transmit the key, you must measure the quantum state, and when you do, the entanglement is disrupted, making it impossible to re-transmit the key. In conclusion, from a quantum mechanical perspective, information cannot be transmitted faster than the speed of light. So are there any scientists who claim that information can be transmitted quickly? Yes, there are scientists who claim that information can be transmitted faster than the speed of light. They provide the following arguments. Quantum entanglement. They argue that information can be transmitted faster than light through quantum entanglement. When two entangled particles are measured, one particle's state is instantaneously correlated with the state of the other, which may appear as though one particle knows the other state faster than light. Relative nature of time. Some proponents claim that time is relative, as per the theory of special relativity. Thus, information that appears to be transmitted faster than light to one observer might be at the speed of light or slower for another observer. Unknown aspects of the universe. They argue that there is much about the structure of the universe that we do not yet understand. Therefore, it is possible that the structure of the universe allows for information transmission faster than the speed of light. However, there are also counterarguments to these claims. Quantum entanglement. It is widely held that quantum entanglement cannot be used to transmit information faster than the speed of light. Even though the state of one particle becomes correlated with the other through entanglement, the information is not directly transmitted to the other particle, and measuring one particle breaks the entanglement, preventing subsequent measurements on the other particle. Absolute nature of time. Some argue that time is absolute, particularly concerning the transmission of information, despite its relative nature in certain scenarios according to the theory of special relativity. Universe's structure. Critics contend that the structure of the universe does not allow for information transmission faster than the speed of light. As of now, there is no clear consensus or definitive proof regarding whether information can be transmitted faster than the speed of light. The debate on this topic is ongoing, and further research by scientists may lead to new discoveries and insights into the speed of information transmission. Yes, there are scientists who argue that information can be transmitted faster than the speed of light, and notable examples include Albert Einstein and Hendrik Lorentz. Einstein, through his theory of special relativity, posited that the speed of light is the maximum speed in the universe. However, Lorentz modified the theory of special relativity to propose that faster-than-light information transmission could be possible without violating existing laws of physics. Lorentz suggested that if there were substances capable of moving faster than light, he referred to them as superluminal particles, they could do so without contradicting established physical principles. While Lorentz's claims have not been experimentally validated, some scientists still consider the possibility that his ideas might hold merit. For instance, certain scientists speculate that rapidly moving objects in the universe, such as black holes or neutrinos, could potentially be superluminal particles. Another example is Alexander Bell, who introduced Bell's theorem in 1964. Bell's theorem demonstrates that information cannot be transmitted faster than light through quantum entanglement. However, some scientists argue that Bell's theorem provides evidence that information can indeed be transmitted faster than light through quantum entanglement. In conclusion, there is no scientific consensus on whether information can be transmitted faster than the speed of light. Some scientists propose this possibility, but it has not been experimentally confirmed as of yet.